Ekero okorobekana kwa omurembe gwakorekanete rituko igoro nobomo bwa Azimio One Kenya gikoragwa na Raila Amolo Odinga erio bari nekirenga giogokeya okomenya rigori rio bogima nabo igo rigori eriebinto erio rianyare koba rikogenda igoro mono ase ensemo yaye omokonyi b'omurai bwense ya Kenya omosike Rigathi Gachagua nigarenge ase omochi Mombasa rituko igoro ase atebete buna ensi ya Kenya nigo etenenire gose nigo erachikogambirwa na William Samoei Ruto nabo igo nigo airaneretie baria baigorete obonchorere bwabo rituko igoro buna mbuya mono ase eng'encho batabwatetie amang'ana ya obomo bwa Azimio One Kenya bigo nigatebete buna abanki babo mbaigoreti bonchorere bwabo ase eng'encho nigo boborete obogima bwabo na kwa buna ebinto biabo nigo biranyare koba bigosariwa.
That the country is stable. President William Ruto is in charge of the country. And I want to say that the situation that we are facing today in Nairobi, life goes on, that is why we are here. Many Kenyans are going about their lives, and we are happy that most Kenyans trusted the government that will protect life and property, and they have gone to work. And they have ignored the illegal declaration of a holiday that cannot be. Nevertheless, quite a number of business people in the Central Business District in Nairobi did not open their shops and businesses, arising from fear of looting and destruction of property, having considered what happened in Kisumu, where the Azimio people looted tents, chairs, and food, and Azimio people were threatening business people not to open by threatening that they will loot their wares.